lang ah. May essence siya, brad.
I'll get that next time.
Yan, ganyan.
I'll shake that right up. Hurry, I've got things to blow up.
I'll get that next time. You got it.
For the highest bidder!
Wait, ayun, tignan nyo. SNY ako, brad.
Your love, my recipe.
Naka-SNY ako, tol.
I'll shake that right up. Taste my fiery potion.
Aga mo sila, boss.
Things to blow up.
Sige, aganis ko sila. Ay, wag na, wag na. Tapusin na lang natin to agad.
Pop and weave, you fool! Hurry, I've got things to blow up.
Kainin natin, travel.
I'll stop.
I'll shake that right up.
Ano, hindi mo mag-ano to eh. Chop, chop.
You got it. Wanna blow something up?
Chop, 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 chop.
Care for a cocktail?
Nagkanya-kanya eh. Oo nga, boss. Hindi, tsaka wala nang ano. Puro hold yung kampi namin.
I'll shake that right up.
Tingnan nyo naman, ah.
You got it.
I'll shake that right up.
Don't rush me.
Sa mga gusto maglaro dyan, boss, sabay lang kayo sa sign house natin.
I'll shake that right up.
Don't rush me.
Kaso lalaro muna ako ng
All
ano.
stocked and ready to go.
Rinser. Manta, boss. Di ko na need magmanta,
Don't
boss.
rush me.
Hurry, I've got things to blow up.
Nag-SNY lang ako para dun sa house kasi nakabigyan
Taste my
natin.
fiery potion.
Para di ako
Wanna blow
basta
something
pag
up?
tinalo na.
All stocked and ready to go. I'll get that mixed up.
Pop and weave, you fool! Taste my fiery potion!
Bagal pa rin
I'll shake
mag-normal.
that right up. Pop and
Bagal
weave.
pa rin. Tal.
Your love, my recipe.
Hurry, I've got things to blow up. Pop and weave, you fool!
Don't rush me.
Hey.
I'll shake that right up.
I'll get that mixed up. Don't rush me.
Nagwawala si bossing.
I'll get that mixed up.
Ay, nagpa-DC na naman si Tanga, oh. Tayo na, ang tanga talaga ng Anish na to. Kaya nakakasar kamping gagong yan, eh. Nagpa-DC na naman siya, boss, oh. Drop, pass drop na yan, pass drop na yan. Ang tanga talaga niya, eh. Nadalawang tit ako dun, ah. Nagpa-DC pa, boss, wait lang. Next to ay na, dapat tinapos na pala. Kalaban pala yung Anish na bobong yun. Tayo na, 2024 na. Points pa rin yung ano niya eh. Piranamid tayo. Gusto niyo ba mag-piranamid ako, boss? Pwede rin naman. Request lang kayo ng hero dyan, boss. Yung madali para ano, hindi ako mahirapan.
Wanna blow something
Dami
up?
pa naman item ng alchemist.
You got it.
Taste my fiery potion!
End ko na po.
Pop and
My life, Vanessa.
I'll stop.
Tayo na yan. Kasabra eh.
hurry, I've got things to blow up.
Care for a cocktail? Don't rush me.
I'll shake that right up.
Pak, pak, pak. Ay, ikaw. Sige nga. Ulit ka.
I'll shake that right up.
Divinesin pa ako talaga.
You got it.
For the highest bidder!
Divinesin pa ako, brad, ah. Ginamit mo yung Mirana. Ginagamit ko laging Mirana lang yan, bossing. Laruin ko muna yung Windsor natin, boss. Bago tayo, pagkatas na ito, magdodota tayo agad. Windsor sa alam. Nung nakaraan, talo ako nung last stream ko eh. Wala tayong bonus na spin, putik. Nakalagay na ba yung Dota dito? Windrunner, wait lang boss, ata po, ano lang tayo, bili lang tayo ng sa Olympus. Hindi pa rin nakalagay yung Dota 2 ngayon sa Windsor. Malat. Madami. Sa mga gusto maglaro dyan, boss, nasa pin comment yung ano natin, link natin. Windsor. Ito talaga, boss, 10 eh. Ay, yung Balanar, dati lagi kong ginagamit yun, boss eh, yung Balanar. Sige, magbabalanar na lang ako mamaya, boss, Balanar mid. Wait lang. Bibili lang ako dito Olympus, boss. Scatter. Asan yun? Ito. 1,000. Isang click lang tayo or dalawa. Boss, try mo mag-crazy time. Hindi, ito na lang tayo, boss. Bili lang tayo ng 500 tapos out na. Mag-magi na, puri. Best pick ko saan yun. Farm. Ano ba yung magi na, boss? Wait lang Isang click lang to, boss, or dalawa. Dodota na ako ulit. Promise yan. Pag ito mananalo, alis tayo agad. Pero pag natalo, bibili pa ako isa. Hello. Isang click lang pag nanalo, out na. Pag natalo, isa pa. Bye, let's ride.
Charging! Elemental power! Fearless!
Yun! Kaya na, times 11 yung 500 plus na.
Sensational!
Mukhang maganda ata itong Dota natin. Ano naman yan? Tapos spin pa, boss. Wait na natin yan. Isang click lang. Sa mga gusto maglaro dyan, boss, nasa pin comment yung link natin or gusto maging agent. 40%. Nagbibigay ako ng 40% dyan. Agent. 40% commission. Dota na agad. Ganda na ang Rosal yan, boss. Ali, boss, mag-Dota ko rin kanya agad. 5%, maganda na 5%.
Feel the power! Charging!
Dead spin na ata siya.
Elemental power!
Yellow, nice one. Oo, na naman tayo. Sayang. Oh, bossing, PM ka mo kayong kanakong kay boss. PM ka mo kayong FP ko, boss. Gawad na lang ang agent.
Fearless!
Ayun,
Feel
one.
the power! Celestial victory!
Up lang tayo ng 200 eh. Last na lang 500 plus.
Free
Promise.
spins!
PM ka, boss. Basta lapag mo yung kaya mo, boss.
Charging!
Kita pa ang Gmail agad para tapos pasa ko niya agad. Kamampangan ka pala. Kamampangan ko, bossing. Last na lang to, dodota na ako agad. Dead spin ata siya. Dapat pala, nag-out na ako. No? Up tayo 200. Oh, boss, kulo pa niya. Kailangan mo yung valid ID kayo ni boss. Ikaw, national
Elemental
ID.
power!
Basta tingnan valid ID, okay? Taga ako kay boss. Mexico pa.
Fearless!
Violet. Violet. Nice one. Basta.
Nice!
Patay. Opo, boss. Message lang ngayon na, boss.
Feel the power! Charging!
Itang valid na Gmail dyan, boss. Niya tapos
Elemental power!
Paso, please.
Fearless!
Uy! Talo pa tayo tuloy. Ay, boss, may message na ako kaya. Critical miss.
Feel my power.
Wala na. 140.
Nice.
5k itong ano natin.
Celestial.
Okay, wala na. Mamaya naman ulit, boss. Mamaya naman ulit. Pero tingnan muna natin yung Dota 2 ulit. Tayo, gusto ko kasi mag-ano dun sa Falcon. Bebet tayo dun sa Falcon. 5k. Wala pa rin siya talagang Dota 2. Nawala. Ayun lang. Okay, Dota muna tayo. Dota tayo, guys. Game na. Share sa'yo, boss, kahit ito. Dito tayo, join tayo dito para start agad. Ready? Ready, par? Okay tayo dito, ah. Pa-start agad. Sino bang di nag-red on? Slot. Ay, umalis tol. Dito na ako sa top. Gusto ko sa top eh. Para mas okay. Ay. Sino ba yung ren? Kampi ko kanina yun, boss. Tayo na si ano nandito. Pag may gago, may bio kami tol. Tayo na, alis ako dito, may bio tol. Kick 3 tayo na, pag nag-start to, alis ako, putik naman. Tayo na, parang talo na kami agad eh. Uy, tayo na, nag-ready siya, gago. O di, ikaw mag-isa maglaro dyan. Tayo na, may bio pa, putik. Wait na namin yung sign house ko, isa na lang. Sign.
The game has just been hosted.
Bobo kasi ng bio na yun eh. Sumasali sa Asia oh. Sumasali pa dito sa Asia Public eh. Nasa Bolivia mayroon naman. Di pa nakakaintindi lang yung English, oo nga eh. Ay, si Boss Elton. Naman. Boss Elton. Tara, pasok ka, Boss Elton. Nandito si Boss Elton, ah. Tagal kong di nakakalaro si Boss Elton. Si Boss Elton, ah. Business ka naman. Ops. Boss Elton. Wow. Si Boss Elton pakampi ko.
The game is starting.
Sweldo ng mga ano ko ngayon, yung mga agent ko ngayon, tol. Naman.
Game started.
Sana all may sahod, tol. Let's go. Tayo nakalaban namin pala yung slot rin, no? Baka may bio kaming kampi dito.
The flows of magic are whimsical today.
lang boss, may trip lang ako. Yung mga di natin lagi nilalaro. Pwede rin yung WR mamaya boss, di rin ako nagda-WR lagi.
Right.
Mid ba si boss
Do
Elton?
what I must.
Mid ka ba boss?
You have an idea.
Give me something to do. Wait till you see me in action.
Do what I must.
Ano ganyan pickings namin?
I await your counsel. Of course. You call on me.
Night Stalker Night. Nang pingas. Balanar muna tayo boss. Request ni boss Ian.
Means necessary. How will this
Mamaya ano tayo? Mirana or WR? Lagi rin kasi ako nagmi-Mirana kaya nakakasawa rin yung Mirana. Ito pa WR eh. No?
counsel?
Hindi ako lagi nagda-WR eh.
Of course. Right. Of course. Stay out of my way.
Ay, agoy. Mali tayo ng
Stay out
dalahan.
of my way. You have an idea. Right. Of course.
SK mid team.
Stay out of my way.
Ano to? Gyro.
By any
Ano gyro?
necessary. This one.
Gyro.
I'll do what I must. By any
Magic Balanar tayo. Magic Balanar. Aganis video. Uy, thanks sa Star Boss. Hindi ko mapa... Ano po. Ay, 48. Maraming salamat po.
means necessary. Wake up. Time.
Thank you.
You call on me. Stay out of my way. I await your counsel. By any means necessary. Vanquish
Yun ang ano ah. Ah, pariban pala. Mamaya natin i-harasin pag level 2 na ano. Ano mo, oras ng oras. Oh. Kaso wala pa. Wala mong nangyari. Hindi ka pa brad. Oops, baka lang po.
First blood.
Lollipop.
Necessary. This one is mine.
I'll have it up in no time.
Don't waste my time.
Dami kasi push yung gawin. Asan to?
Idea. Of course. I'll do what I must. This one is mine. Vanquish the weak. Don't waste my time. By any means necessary.
Eh? Hindi pala ako makalapit dito tol eh.
You call on me. Stay out of my way. No one can oppose me. Vanquish the weak. By any means necessary. I'll do what I must. No one can oppose me.
Pag-ready na yan, kita sa mga brand.
Means necessary. Wake up time to time. Stay out of my way. By any means necessary. I will need your counsel. Stay out of my way. Vanquish the weak. No one can oppose me. By any means necessary. How will this benefit me? I await your counsel. You call on me.
Hoy, share si Boss Bing. Thank you sa 75 minutes. Ay, 70. Bossing. Nalilito ako sa mga ano. Mamaya WR ako para sa'yo na yan, tol. Mag-aaganis ako dito. Dagger aganis.
Stay out of my way. Why? I do what I must. How will this benefit me? By any means necessary. You have an idea. Why? By any means necessary.
Wala siyang
I
sound skill.
await your counsel. I'll do what I must. Of course.
Ay! Hindi naglalag, boss. Ewan ko nga bakit naglalag.
Of course. By any means necessary. Stay out of my way. By any means necessary. Of course. By any means necessary.
Bakit naglalag, Brad? Uy, boss ko to.
Waste my time. You have an idea. Don't waste my
Ay.
time.
Ay nang yan. Hindi mabigay-bigay yung botas sa chat.
You call on me. Don't waste my time.
Ay, wala pala akong vision sa mid.
You have an idea. By any means necessary.
Nakabuhoti rin ah.
Our brethren's town is under attack.
Ayun mo yan, Brad.
Vanquish. How will this benefit me?
Warrior to ah. Hindi na ko
Welcome to our
This benefit me. Stay out of my way. Why? You have an idea. Of course. Stay out of my way. Of course. By any means necessary.
Our brethren's
Oy!
town is under attack.
Ay, gago! Ano naman ako dun? Sakit ng first kill ng putik. Ang first kill pa siya. Ay, nako. Ang asim na naman. Alam ko may SS ako.
Town is under attack.
May TV pa dito. Ito na.
I have returned.
Patay tayo dun ah. Sorry.
Do what I must. Stay out of my way. Of course. I await your counsel. This one is mine. Right. By any means necessary. Stay out of my way.
Walang mana to po.
Idea.
Nakabuhoti pala siya.
You call on me.
tatakas doon. Dati, tignan natin ito.
Don't waste my time.
Our brethren's town is under attack.
Time to die. I wait for the council. You have an idea. By any means necessary. None can oppose me. Right. How will this benefit me? I await your counsel.
Hindi ako marunong mag-body warrior.
Do what I must. By any means necessary. Don't waste my time. Do what I must. By any means necessary. Of course. Vanquish the weak. Stay out of my way. Stay out of my way. Of course. I await your counsel. How will this benefit me? By any means necessary. Right. Of course. Right. Of course. This is mine. Do what I must. By any means necessary. I'll do what I must. You have an idea. You call on me. You have an idea. You call on me. Right.
I wish
You have an idea. You call on me. By any means necessary. We got no time to die. I await your counsel. Of course. I'll do what I must. How will this be?
Yung TV tol, oh.
I await your counsel.
our brethren's town is
Ganado,
under
ah.
attack.
Right. Stay out of my way. None can
Reward
oppose
D.
me. I'll do what I must. Anathema.
Our brethren's town is under attack.
Necessary. Stay out of my way. By any means necessary. This one is mine.
Shit! Tayo na. Kulang pa.
Do what I must. By any means necessary. Stay out of my way. Of course. Right. Of course.
Ay, nakulang pa yun. Ayop naman.
How will this benefit me?
Hindi naka-level yung ano ko eh. Meron ko naka-level sa ano.
Our brethren's town is under attack.
You call on me. Wake up. Time to die. Of course.
Patay sa ano. Makapag-stance yun.
Right. Stay out of my way. By any means necessary.
Ako.
Do what I must.
Hello.
Patay na ako. Naka-ND siya. Naka-ending escape po. Swerte naman nung ano. Nawala silence ko kasi kanina.
Our brethren's town is under attack.
Right. How will this benefit me? I'll do what I must.
Nakabili pa ako ng Ogreax tsaka TV. Parang nating happen lang.
Call on me. Don't waste my time.